So I just saw this picture and I saw it bad. And then I didn't want to create any video at all because you guys are enjoying the show, but now they are pushing me and I want us to criticize everything about the show. So if you are interested in what I'm going to say, then do stay tuned to this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you, ladies and gentlemen, to like it. And if you ain't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Yazi uma ngabuye lesithombe lesi ungakazi uyibuke le show in the past 200 episodes, ngicabanga ukuthi yo ishubile ngempela kule show kanti welele yashuba nje for the first 5 episodes, and then after that the show lost everything. Angazi ukuthi kwavele kwenzakalani, kwashintsha aphi, the storyline started to drag, acting started, just when they need to bring Banele back, kuthulekile akubuyi Banele. I expected it by this time on the show because there are only few episodes left before show iphele, so belinde ukuthi mina bazoletha uBanele, so bona uBanele ebuya full force, bangamhambisa uSanele but uBanele naye abekhona on the picture like lokho influence Sanele there and there. Instead of doing that, bathatha uSanele bayomphonsa ejele, bathatha uMakhumalo bayomphonsa ejele. I mean, it's been almost 10 episodes now. Makhumalo sikamboni akatholakali ndawo, sazi noma kwenzakalani ngaye. But she's the main character. All know that if Makhumalo could come back here, ngashuba yonke into kodwa bambuyisi. Instead ukhulunywa ngaye phone into ayombulaza uSanele naye usejele uhlelethile doing nothing, and you can tell the creators of the show ran out of ideas, so they decided ukuthi no, let's drag time sithi wethatha isikhathi kancane mhlawumbe sithi noma 15 episodes sithi hayi uSanele noMakhumalo baboshiwe, so sistress for 15 episodes and then sobuya after lokho bese sishubisa strong. Like, tell me, guys, this show is so frustrating. That is because I know what acting is good. There are good actors in the show. But even Nix, I know that there are good writers in the show. There's a very good writing team that is behind this. But Abapali, focal. So I don't understand what is going on with this. Ladies and gentlemen, I know that is on tour in the comment section. So, Velanishona Kona, yes, go there, comment. Share your thoughts, share your opinions. I know that there are many people who are agreeing with me on this one. It's just that by sabut by kuluma. So I've said what I've said. Comment down in the comment section, share your thoughts, share your opinions. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, so please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know TikTok, you can even go there, share this video. And with all of that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on another video.